Hello friends, so in this video we will learn how to highlight selected cells, rows and columns. So first of all that I am showing you demo. Okay, my name is Rupesh and in this video I am going to teach you how to highlight selected rows and columns. So I am selecting these rows, you can see, and I want to remove this column again from entire sheet. So how can I do this? By pressing only remove color. So let's learn how I did this. Okay, first of all go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, create any shapes here. Now edit text, give any proper name, color shows, right? Now just click on here, go to home, just align font size in proper format. Done. Now need to assign here script. You can give the color and all these things whatever you want. You can see here font color I am giving here black. Okay, here click on assign macro, rectangle, give, click on new. So I am changing the name here, shows. Okay, color shows, whatever you can give any name whatever you want. So now what I need, first of all, when I select range or bunch of cells, then this cells row and column should be highlighted. Okay, for that I will use for each loop. Okay, selections, selection means this called are selections, like this. Okay, now I will simply apply here x dot entire rows dot entire row interior for designing purpose dot vb red, sorry vb green, let's say. Okay, now let's see how it's work. I'm selecting. So what will happen, I have selected this, then it will select entire rows and automatically highlighted it. Macro to rectangle case. So again you will have to assign here macro because you have changed the name, so that's why. Click on OK. Now color, now it's not showing the color. Why? Because we have selections vb green, right? So let's look. First of all press F8. Press, if I select here, checking 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? Whatever I have checked here. And again I am doing this, like this one, 1 2 3 4 5, and that's it. So similarly we'll go for the columns. For column we will use simply entire column. Now we'll change here color vb yellow. Once it's done, then it will show the message box done outside the loop. Okay, I am here again selecting. You can see this has done. So now I want to remove all these sheets color. So how I can do this? Just here I will again create one loop, color. So worksheet, sorry, what is my sheet name, and then cells, and here equal to VB Excel none, because we want to remove the colors, right? So that's why this is. So first of all it will select my these sheets like this. After that it will select entire cells, this one. Once after that it will remove the color from the entire sheets. So let's do this again. I am creating the shapes, text here, just click here home, middle. Now assigning the macro again. Where is the remove color? This one. Click on OK. Now it's gone. Now if I again select this and if I remove this, that's done. It's very easy guys, just practice this, it is very simple. Thanks for watching this video.